Hello friends, in this lecture we will see planar profiling with wireframe and planar profiling 2D wireframe processor. So it is just similar to the planar milling, but here it is only cut pattern is only in profile it is available. So as the name represent profile. So this is the model, okay, and my blank is double click here. So this is the part and blank a little bit bigger than this body, so I can cut this outer portion easily. Okay, and okay, now I'm going to define a tool for this. So I'm going to use a animal. Okay, this is the indexable tool. Okay, so cancel it. I'm using non-indexable, and this tool I'm going to use this 8 tool. Cancel. Now select this operation, and my program folder is NC and tool is this 8 my workpiece, and I want to do finishing operation here. So first define the part boundary. I'm going to use this curve so that I can easily select the outer curve using this tangent curve, and the tool side is outside because the material which is outside this boundary is to be cut, so tool should be outside. And floor, specify the floor up to this boundary, up to this floor it will generate this profile. Stock, I don't want any stock because I'm doing the finishing operation, and enter the depth value, and from the geometry I'm going to select the blank boundary, and my blank boundary is also a curve. So click this and click, and the tool outside. Okay, and tool axis is Z, feed speed. Okay, and cut region 2D IPW, no need to select anything, just keep it none. Okay, and strategy depth first, it will cut up to the depth, and now generate it. And now see this result. It will follow that wall and it will generate a profiling toolpath. We can do the same operation with the help of planar mill as well. So any operation you want to choose you can use.